Hello, what's up guys? Your guy Promzy once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are talking about ways to learn the German language and some tips I have for you if you are learning the language or about to learn the language. So if you're ready for this video, stay tuned. Welcome back guys once again to my channel. My name is Promzy. I'm a Ghanaian based in Germany, currently pursuing my masters, and on my channel I give tips like this to international students who wish to continue their education here in Germany. So in this video, I'm going to talk about ways one can learn the German language at a faster and smarter rate. And the first and the most important point I want to talk about is by taking or enrolling in an intensive German course. If you want to become a doctor, you have to be in a medical school to become a doctor. If you want to be an engineer, you have to be enrolled in an engineering school to become an engineer. If you want to speak German, you have to be in a German school or take a German course before you can speak good German. The intensive German course, as the name already depicts, is an intensive course that is almost like the formal education from Monday to Friday, 2 to 3 hours, depending on how intensive your course is. Learning the German rules, the grammatic rules, and everything you need to know about the language from ABCD to Cognitive 2. There is no way one can complete an intensive German course without having hold or control over the German language. This is the most expensive and the most effective way to learn the German language. Get yourself enrolled in an intensive course, master the course completely, and one great thing about the intensive courses is once you complete the intensive courses, you get a certificate to prove your German proficiency. Unlike the other methods I'll be talking about in this video, which is mostly self-learned, you don't have any certificate to prove that you've actually completed A1, A2, B1, B2, or C1. Due to the ongoing pandemic, online courses have become very famous and very popular. So if you don't want to go for these intensive courses in person, you can equally sign up to an online course, complete the course, and at the end of the day, you will have total control, not total or perfect control, but some control over the German language. So for students who are not already in Germany but are planning to come to Germany, if you want to take any intensive course, the institution that I will recommend and what the German embassy in Accra also recommend is the Goethe Institute. This institution is one of the best institutions outside the country, as in outside Germany and even inside Germany when it comes to teaching the German language. Enroll in an intensive course at the Goethe Institute and they're going to help you master the language. That's if you're outside the country. But if you're already in Germany, there are a lot of options to choose from. Goethe is one of the options. You can do DSH, you can do TestDAF. There are a lot of options to choose from when you are in Germany. But if you're outside, the only one I recommend is the Goethe Institute. The second option I'll talk about is YouTube, this platform. If you are watching me, you are probably watching me from YouTube. And I want to say this platform is an amazing platform. There are a lot of channels on this platform that helps international students to master the German language from A1 to C1 or C2, whatever level you want to reach. Search for channels that help students with the language, subscribe to their channel, learn from them. Some channels are more focused on vocabulary, some are more focused on grammatic, some are more focused on a particular exams like DSH exams. There are different channels. I personally have some favorite. I'm going to put the link in the description below. But you can equally also do your own research and find equally good or probably better channels than the ones I recommend. So one other tip I'm going to give when it comes to YouTube is not only focus on the channels that teach the German language, especially if you're already enrolled in an intensive course. You don't want to be taking another course, but you can subscribe to German vloggers and listen to their day-to-day activities, speak German, and as you do that, you're going to learn a lot of things that you might probably not learn in the school or in an intensive course because they speak about life. You know how vlog is about. So subscribe to some German vloggers if you really want to learn the German to a very advanced level. Learn from them, and I think it's a very nice way to have a control over the language. So the third option I'm going to talk about is apps. There are a lot of amazing apps up there that help students master the German language. The one I'm going to recommend personally is Duolingo. I think this app is very amazing when it comes to the beginning stage of the German. but as you reach B1 and B2, C1, you realize that is not very effective. But if you don't know anything about the language, you are now being introduced to the German language. I think you can use Duolingo to have some basics when it comes to the language. So the fourth point I'm going to talk about is DW, Deutsche Welle. Before I moved to Germany, I knew DW to be like CNN and BBC news broadcasters. But little did I know they have a separate channel that helps students or foreigners to learn the German language. They have amazing materials and documents that's going to help you with the German language on their YouTube channel. Their website is even more amazing. If you want to learn the German language to a higher level, I think you should start using the Deutsche Welle website. They have a lot of amazing materials to help students start the language from scratch to finish. They have a lot of videos you can watch, a lot of scripts you can read. They have a lot of news they even have news that is spoken in German but at a slower rate for beginners. I'm going to put all these links to their website in the description below. Go to their website, navigate around their website and find what interests you the most and start reading.
I hope you're enjoying the video you are watching, and if you like the content, you can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and giving me a thumbs up. Let's get back to it.
Next on the list is going to be music and movies. Be immersed in the German culture. If you want to really learn the language, you have to be immersed in the culture itself. Listen to music in German. I have my personal favorite, Apache, Juju, Namika. I think those are the ones I know of here. Listen to music in Germany, you will pick certain words in the music, you will flow with the rhythm, and if you're able to sing along, those words you are singing is German words. You can use them unconsciously next time in your sentence. One other recommendation that I learned really works is watching your favorite series or movie in German. You might have probably watched it in English, but you are watching it this time in German to get new words and get hold of some grammar, how their grammar is used in real life situation. I didn't use this method when I was learning German at first, but now I'm trying to polish my German and I'm watching my favorite series in German. It's amazing things you can learn in an hour by watching movies in German. One other method that works really very quick for students or people who move to Germany is making friends in Germany and communicating with them in German. Making friends in Germany is very difficult. Making German friends in Germany is somehow very difficult, but if you're able to make German friends, abstain from speaking English and learn the language and communicate with them. Slangs and informal way of speaking is not taught in the classroom, so all these things can be learned outside the classroom and you can learn these things from your friends. So make some German friends, practice your German day in, day out with your friends. Abstain from speaking always English, especially people who are coming from Anglophone countries. So this point is going to sound a little bit controversial to the point I made previously, that is by taking intensive course. I've however met a couple of people who never stepped a foot in any German class but are very fluent and eloquent. I think the most eloquent Ghanaian I've met in Germany claims or told me he never stepped a foot in a class. He came to German with A1 and decided to learn everything on his own by using online materials and documents to complete the whole course, took a standardized test and was able to pass his B2 exams. If you are that disciplined, it's also possible you can master the whole language without taking any course or any class. And if all these things don't work out for you, in Germany, before you complete your master's or your education, you should have at least A2, and these courses are done alongside with the course you are doing in school. This is not the most effective way to learn the German because these courses are not intensive courses, probably 2 hours a week, and that's not a very effective way to learn the language. But if all these ways don't work for you, then you have no other option than to fall to this one. In fact, this one is compulsory, so you can't go around this. So my tip is the German language itself is a little bit more difficult than other foreign languages. Almost everyone in Germany knows this, but if you are very determined and you have a goal, you can achieve it. You can master the language from A1 to whatever level you want to reach. I would say don't always find an escape when it comes to speaking German. If you are speaking to someone, you don't have to be perfect. You make errors, you make mistakes. One thing I love about the German people is when it comes to the language, they are very, very relaxed because they know their language is somewhat difficult. So making mistakes wouldn't be a problem with them. But don't always switch to English. There's this temptation when you are trying to express yourself, and you can really express yourself better in your mother language, but you are trying to achieve a goal here. So come outside the comfort zone, put yourself in uncomfortable position, speak the language, go to the supermarket, talk to people in German, practice your German day in, day out. And as time goes on, you get a confidence to speak the language fluently as other people. I'm trying to gather the courage to do another video in German. I've already done one that was like a year ago. And if you want to see my next video in German, let me know and I would probably do one in German. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video very educative and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share this content and subscribe to my channel. Join the community. Like always, the name is Promzy and I'm signing out. Peace.